Let's create an AI expense management system using Python. We import FastAPI components for the web framework and form handling, HTML response, and Jinja2 Templates for rendering pages, CountVectorizer to convert expense descriptions into word count vectors, Multinomial NB as our machine learning classifier, and make_pipeline to combine both steps into a single NLP workflow. We initialize the FastAPI application and configure Jinja to serve HTML templates from the templates directory. We define a collection of training expense descriptions covering categories such as transport, food and dining, cloud software, and bills and rent, giving the model example text to learn from. These are the category labels corresponding to each training description, teaching the model which type of expense each text belongs to. We build an NLP pipeline that first converts expense descriptions into word count vectors, then trains a naive-based classifier so it can automatically categorize new expenses. We initialize an in-memory expense database with a couple of sample records, so the dashboard has data to display immediately when the application starts. We define a helper function that prepares all the data required by the dashboard, making the same logic reusable across multiple routes. We calculate the total amount spent by summing the amount value from every expense stored in the database. We loop through every expense and build a category-wise spending breakdown, accumulating the total amount spent in each expense category. We return a dictionary containing the request object, the expenses in reverse order, so the newest appears first, the formatted total spending, and the category breakdown for rendering in the dashboard. This async get route serves the homepage, rendering the dashboard with the complete expense list, total spending, and category-wise breakdown generated by the helper function. This async post route receives the expense title and amount directly from the submitted form using FastAPI's form dependency. We convert the expense title to lowercase, pass it through the trained classifier to predict its category, then save the complete expense record with the AI-assigned category into the database. We re-render the dashboard template using the helper function so the newly added expense, updated spending total, and refreshed category breakdown are displayed immediately. Now here is our index.html where I have designed the all-user interface. If you'd like access to this code, just send me a message on our Discord server.